Hey everybody, it's Charlie from Daily Motor, and today we are out here screaming in the 2021 Charger Hellcat Redeye. This is 797 horsepower of pure American bliss. 6.2 liter supercharged V8, heading straight out to the rear wheels. Makes for one good party. We're going to talk about this car a bit, continue driving it around, romping it on these country roads. We got some track footage at the end as well, out at Carolina Motorsports Park, where this thing really can have some fun. My goodness, these Hellcat SRT vehicles have done such a great job over the last few years at being good with their speed. Cruise at just such high, it's like German car type speed, where it's just smooth and it handles it so well. This thing sure is a tire shredder though. Oh man, just listen to that supercharger just scream. I love it. Those rare cars, almost kind of like my motorcycles, where it's hard to even talk because you're just enjoying driving so much. And you're focused. Stop here. Try a little launch control start. Just fighting for grip. Now, I actually think the four-wheel drive SRT Hellcat Durango that we were driving earlier today was able to launch even faster just because it's got four wheels to hook up with. But on just the right surface, with the rear tires heated up, this thing is an absolute missile. See, pretty much anything over 450 horsepower, depending on the weight of the vehicle, is too much power for the street. You just don't need it. You can't use it. But the thing is with this, with the Redeye models, it's so extravagantly over the top that it's almost okay. It's like, yeah, I know that I've got way too much power right now. But I've been made fully aware of that, and I know it's just an exercise in excess. pretty awesome machine. So here we are out at a stop. Hop out and take a look at this F8 green Hellcat Redeye. You can even see they put a little red eye in the Hellcat symbol. It's pretty neat. Looking mean in this F8 green. I still think the Charger looks so good. It's been out for as long as it has, and I still think it's a mean car. They've been doing a great job keeping it relevant. LED ambient little lighting elements, all these fun colors, the new wide body package. At the end of the day, it's still a perfectly usable family sedan. Even in the back, you got these nice Alcantara seats, plenty of headroom and legroom. 5'10", I've still got room for my head, my knees. Got heated seats back here, 2 USB-A ports. We'll flip down. Is there a flip down armrest? Nope. In the back, of course, still got a big old trunk. Plenty of space in there. You even have a little underfloor storage compartment since there's no spare tire. Pretty awesome package. Thank you so much to Dodge for bringing us down here, letting us toss around this SRT Hellcat Redeye. And thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the next one. I'm Charlie from Daily Motor, and as always, drive on.